Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to put a Volkswagen Jetta in neutral, updated. Start with the vehicle stopped and foot on the brake. For manuals, press the clutch fully and move the shifter to the center detent labeled N, then release the clutch slowly if needed. For automatics, keep the brake depressed and shift the selector to N, then confirm the dashboard reads N. Always engage the parking brake when stationary for safety and control. In this video, I will show how to put a Volkswagen Jetta in neutral, updated. With a manual gearbox, first make sure the car is stopped and the clutch is depressed. Move the gear lever to the center position where no gear is engaged, which is neutral. Hold the clutch down if you anticipate movement, or release it slowly if staying idle. Engage the parking brake for added security before exiting the vehicle or leaving it unattended. In this video, I will show how to put a Volkswagen Jetta in neutral, updated. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle on screen is great for staying hydrated while working on cars or waiting during service. Look in the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for your support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to put a Volkswagen Jetta in neutral, updated. For an automatic, keep your foot on the brake and shift the selector into N deliberately. Confirm the instrument cluster indicates N before removing your foot from the brake. Neutral is useful for short stops, car washes, or towing preparation, but it does not replace the parking brake. Always set the parking brake and avoid long periods in neutral on inclines to prevent rollaway.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.